At-home remedies for blackheads. Blackheads are small bumps that appear due to pores becoming clogged with oil and dead skin. They usually form on the face, especially the nose, but can appear on back and shoulders. Here are simple at-home remedies to clear blackheads. Honey. Pure honey is both antibacterial and antiseptic, properties that help remove blackheads. Honey pulls dirt from the pores of the skin to clear blackheads, as well as tightening and hydrating the pores. Apply pure honey onto the affected area and wash off with warm water after 15 minutes. Baking soda. Baking soda scrubs away dead skin cells and cleans oil that cause blackheads. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply paste to blackheads and allow drying for 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Oatmeal. Oatmeal contains powerful antioxidants and some anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes irritation, removes dead skin cells, and soaks up excess oil to help clarify the complexion. Mix 1 teaspoon of ground oatmeal and 1 teaspoon of honey into a paste. Apply paste to face and let it dry for 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an antibacterial spice that can be used to remove blackheads and eliminate flaky skin. Mix 1 part organic cinnamon with 2 parts honey to form a paste. Apply a thin layer over blackheads. Leave the paste on for at least 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which works as a natural astringent to remove dead skin, making it perfect for unclogging pores. Squeeze out a teaspoon of lemon juice. Wash your face and use a cotton ball to dab lemon juice to blackheads. Wait 10 minutes, then wash with cool water. Egg white. Egg whites are a healthy way to add nutrients to your skin, and help dry and exfoliate the area on which you have blackheads. Mix 1 to 2 egg whites with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the area of blackheads, leave for 30 minutes and wash off with warm water. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. If you want more at-home remedies, please subscribe.